try no question. Just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really got to be my boy.
Hi everyone. So today this is my second video, and I want to give a shout out to Forever Young. Yeah, shout out to you. And I'm gonna give another shout out on my next video, only if you comment something else. So I already know who's shout out to in the next video. So, yeah, shout out to Forever Young. If you see this, shout out to you. Please subscribe. I really want that. But yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you one of my songs. And I can't find it again. I think my sister has the other one. Oh, this is one of. Oh yeah, I mixed them up. So this is, I'm gonna show you guys one of my songs. So this is called Minty Blue. I put some hair chalk in it. I don't know, I just chalk that you put in your hair with. And if you see some yellow stuff, that's confetti. I made this one. I would have made a slime video of making slime, but I can't say my mom doesn't make slime. Oh, and if you guys have an idea of what I should do on my other video, please comment down below. I did not know what to do on my other video. I didn't even know what to do on this video. I just guessed. I saw the slime, and now I'm showing you something. Because I had no other idea except the slime. This is kind of like a butter type of slime. So it's really, and I have a new answer at the end of my video. You'll be seeing it. It's not that stretchy, so maybe put some lotion into it. But yeah. This slime fell on the floor, but luckily it's still clean. It only had like one hair in it, but I took it out, so that's good. Okay? And I'm going to put some lotion in here. This is like make a sound. There you go. Put this slime to make a soft lotion. It's actually really nice because it makes it smell good and it makes it stretchy. Most people put it in hot boiling water. That works too. It makes it, I think, like a little tiny bit softer, and it makes it more stretchy. People might be coming in and you might be hearing some stuff in the background because I but I'm doing YouTube to show people stuff about me and to see if people like my videos, people subscribe. I want to see how many views I get on my videos. Because my videos aren't popular, so they're not on anyone's page on YouTube. So hopefully they notice it. gonna be I am gonna be I'm gonna be picking one of the videos that you guys comment for. Hopefully you guys comment for videos you guys. That will be picking. I'm gonna be picking one. So if you got picked of the video idea, then that's good, nice. But I'm sure if you commented a video and you didn't get picked, you will get picked next time. Because I need some ideas to make some more videos for you guys. For like 2 people that I were commented. If they watch the video. But hopefully just someday someone subscribes and then more people keep subscribing and I make better videos. So I can get more subscribers. I want to see how YouTube runs this one. That's what I want. So my birthday is in October 11th. That's a really long time away. So that will make my birthday. Or maybe like at least 100 subscribers. And that is not my hair. Yeah, my hair is dark brown, not black. You see? Look at that. Gross. This is also weird, but you can also put deodorant in your sign to make it soft. But that's just deodorant. This one gets harder and harder. I thought I was going to turn to glitter slime, but I accidentally added too much hair chalk. And it turned hard. My mom is going to I'm in trouble. Always making it. guys, I really need some video ideas, so make sure to comment down below. For today, if you like. So I'm going to check the comments today, which is figure out what I'm going to do. So, yeah, make sure to comment something that I should do for next video. And yeah, that's all for today.